Hi, I'm Jesse Beaker with Twig Power. I'm standing here at the Cobra Moto booth at AIM Expo 2019. There's a couple of beautiful electrified products I want to show you, so let's go right and take a look. So we're standing here in front of the Cobra CX5E Concept Bike for 2021. It's a electrified race class dirt bike, and it features a couple of very unique things to the marketplace. First of all, it has a removable battery pack. This battery pack will be able to slide in and out quickly as fast as you can put gas in your gas tank. The motor is a very small, high compact, brushless DC motor that is liquid cooled. This will allow it to have extremely high levels of power necessary for a race dirt bike. The chassis is all new for this product, and it will be state-of-the-art race suspension and other chassis features that are durable for competition. The product will be a little bit different because it doesn't have a starter like a normal combustion engine. So in this case, we've got a couple of features that are unique to an electrified powertrain. First of all, we've got our kill switch. This is a safety switch that at any time will shut down propulsion and stop the vehicle. To power it up, there's no key. We just power on. And then once we see all the LEDs are working, we can then press the go button. And at that point, we see this green light, the active light, and at that point, it's twist and go. So very simple, very easy to run. And at any time, if the rider falls off or any other desire, we can either press the power button or just pull the safety. So one of the great things about the gas versus electric is there's no compromise. So when it comes to the weight of the vehicle, gas versus electric, this electric concept will be about the same weight as the gas. And then the price points will be roughly the same, looking at the electric being a slightly higher priced product to be announced. Standing here in front of the Cobra Ironman, this is a 24-inch, full suspension electric mountain bike. It features a Shimano eDrive steps drivetrain, 500 watt-hour battery, and a 10-speed derailleur system. It has very wide tires, adjustable forks with lockouts, adjustable rear suspension with lockouts, and adjustable modes for different e-assist as you ride sport, turbo, or if you want to ride pure natural bicycle pedaling. Features all Shimano brakes and is a custom Cobra product. The price and availability should be announced in the second quarter of 2020, and this should be a very premium product for mountain biking enthusiasts